Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Frank, and first off, before I do anything, I would like to thank everybody for helping me reach 220 subs now. I know y'all have been listening to me bitch and moan every video on how 99.8% of you are watching the videos and not sub to the channel, so do it! Anyways, I got to looking at the front of my GX470. I got a 2008 with the fantastic paint that likes to peel. Hasn't started peeling on me yet, but it's only a matter of time. I was looking at it and noticed that the headlights were, getting yellow, and they started getting the little cracking from the sun. And I was like, oh man, maybe I should look into, getting some headlights for it. I can always do like the toothpaste, whatever. That don't last too long. It's amazing what doing a headlight restoration will do for your car as far as looks. And I got to looking online, and I couldn't believe my eyes. Like $300 and $400 for, instead of headlight, housing. Like, holy crap. I can't afford that, and I'm not about to drop $300-$400 in headlight housings on a 12-year-old car if I ain't got to. So I started looking at kits and looking at other people doing like the sanding, and then you can't use clear coat because it bends the light rays, and you got to do this clear wrap over the light for longevity so that it doesn't just get yellow all over again in a week. And all those ideas were kind of expensive too. It was less expensive than getting new headlights, of course, but geez, man. You're still paying like $120-ish for a headlight restoration, and I don't even know that mine are gonna come out all that great. They got the little like split cracking stuff from the sun. So I picked up a Meguiars kit. I think it's like a 3-step kit. It's one of like the nicer ones. Either way, it was $20, not $400. And we're gonna give that thing a whirl today and see what we can do on it.
All right, so this is what we're working with here. It's the heavy-duty headlight restoration kit.
Drill powered.
Restores clarity, severely oxidized and yellow headlights. Says that it keeps it for a year. I'll be the test of that. Okay. Oh, like right off the rip. It's looking like they're chipping you, but maybe there's some sort of applicator pad that's supposed to be there that was stolen. It's looking like it was. That's Walmart, South Carolina for you. I guess these are the sanding discs. Now, one's coarse and one's fine. And this is the sealant. I guess you're gonna be wiping this on when it's all said and done to seal the headlight. So without further ado, ladies and gents, let's go ahead and get started. Step is here. I'm just gonna put the directions up on the screen here. Make sure y'all can see that. You can pause the video. All right, so let's get started here. Get you some Windex. Clean all that dirt and debris right off. Oh yeah. Saying that I should use water instead of Windex for the sanding portion. Let's see what we can do about it. All right, so I got some soap and water, and so I'm gonna be lightly dusting this and the pad and wet sanding a little bit. This is with the coarse one, coarse pad. I want to make sure you're always got this thing wet, man. Evenly frosted. They look pretty evenly frosted to me. They look pretty bad. It's all right. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that. Think we can do that. I'd like to point out that these discs actually feel pretty decent quality. They got a little foam pad right here, so you really can't like gouge in there too hard. And they're staying together, to my surprise. All right, let's get it. So I got the old DeWalt because it is, as you all know, heavy duty, drill powered. And I just put the little foam pad on. I assume that it's supposed to be like this, but man, there are a lot of particles flying off of this thing. Like, look at this. Can you see that? That's a lot going on there, but I think we'll be okay. We're gonna run this thing in 2. It says to run it between 1200 and 1500 RPM. Setting 1 is 600 RPM on this drill, and 2 is 2000 RPM. So I'll just keep it around like that, you know. A little bit of trigger discipline, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do that thing that all the professionals do, where it's like a dot around and then like a dot in the center, you know what I'm saying? There goes the box. Sorry if there's any wind noise. You know, it's out of my control, guys. I don't have a garage yet. Jesus God almighty. Oh, who are they trying to keep out of these things, man? Jeez. Okay. Good Lord, it's windy, man. Well, that's like already too freaking much. Sorry, guys. We're gonna do that thing once again that the professionals do. Give her a couple dabs everywhere, where we start slinging this. And realistically, you should put like some tape around here so you don't have to, you know, you don't scratch your car. But we like to live life on the edge. So here we go, ladies and gents. Oh. Damn, dude, look at that difference. Look at that. Ooh, who got this new hottie up in here? Look over there. Oh, old and busted, new hottie.
Old and busted, new hotness.
I think I got enough to do the dang fog lights, man. You think I got enough to do the fog lights? I think I got enough to do the fog lights. I mean, it comes with a lot, so we'll give it a healthy dose. Holy crap. Am I supposed to just like buff this off? I used way too damn much.
so much better than I could have hoped, man. Like, I know it's like a $20 kit, and it's probably not going to last too long, which we are going to see how long it lasts for with that sealant, whatever. I think it's like a ceramic coating. And they just look phenomenal. I couldn't justify spending $400 on a new set of headlights, and especially for the sport ones. Get on out of here. Yeah, there's Bobo brands for like 150 bucks. But you get what you pay for. And with a nice car like this, I want to put nice parts back on it. Yes, I did use like a cheapo kit, but they are like quality headlights still. The lenses are just getting a little yellow and sun cracked. I spent a little bit more time on the driver's side headlight because it did have some cracking in it, but for the most part, it like looks good. I even did the fog lights too, just a little touch up. I had some extra material left, and I think it came out wonderful. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. The reason that I did the headlights was I got some coming. Looking at some new headlights. I want to go LED. I've looked at a lot, and I can't really. I've got like 5 or 6 that I really like. Let me know what y'all are running down in the comments. It doesn't have to be a Lexus GX470 or anything. Just tell me what headlight brand you trust and which ones will last the longest, which ones are the brightest. So, once again, thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, like the video. I love y'all. I'll see you next time.